In the month of February, China pulled in more than $1 billion in ticket sales, while North America generated under $800 million. But that $1 billion number may be imaginary, as Chinese regulators say they are investigating whether movie distributors tried to boost sales by buying up tickets for what they're calling ghost screenings. So is this another sign that we can't trust the data coming out of China?
When Captain Marvel first came out, I was curious about whether the theater was going to be completely packed or not. So I drew up all this data, and while the ghost screening is going on apparently, now's a good time to examine my results. Here is 9:30 a.m. Here's 10:30 a.m. Here's 11 a.m. Here's 12:40 p.m. Here's 3:50 p.m. Here's 5:10 p.m. Here's 7 p.m. Here's 9:45 p.m. Here is 10 p.m. Here's 10:10 p.m. I am not a conspiracy theorist, I swear, but if someone could confirm the theater was empty at those specific times, then maybe we can get somewhere.
生きるリバサイガスの吹き溜まりハマっちまったやつほど口が悪いここじゃ成功ってやつ雲隠れ俺たちの未来と空の色はグレー変わる地に詰めたね全速で反映してきたのかね神様が見つけた最低限なら書き残すこの目しか見れない経験のやつ名前だけこの決意に甘えはね